Okay, we're going to learn a pop toss. You're going to start out the same way you would for pull hits. It's just a little bit extra rotation. We're going to do catching straight up and down and catching at slam. I'm going to turn around so you can see how to do it. So you get 5, 6, 7. On count 8, you're going to squeeze. You're going to literally squeeze the pole. That'll prep your muscles to get ready for the toss. So 5, 6, 7, squeeze, out, up, catch. And that was really awful. The idea is for it to hit at the same time, just like a pull hit. So 5, 6, 7, squeeze, out, up, catch. See, straight up and down. And then you can also add a little bit more rotation to catch it slam. So you should look exactly the same way as when you started. So when you pull down, notice that my left hand went completely down. None of this funny business. And this hand extended up. Right? The higher the rotation, the higher the toss and the more rotation, the higher you extend your hand. So, catching at slam, 5, 6, 7, squeeze, out, up. Notice that this hand was completely extended, like I was asking a question in class, and this hand was down. Okay, so you want to make sure that your free hands look good. That's going to help it be clean, and it's going to make us all look really good. All right, another toss that you guys have in your show already is the 45 toss. And the prep that we are doing is you're going to start on 7, 8, and then out on 1. So when you're out, 7, 8, up, this is your release point. Okay, you release the flag from right here. You want to make sure that your left hand is where your ponytail would be, and your right hand is pretty much Hail Hitler. Okay, you release from right here, and it's going to spin on this angle. So, you're going to stir, and up. You're going to catch to the back 45 like this. You're going to make sure the flag is at a nice strong angle, and that you're catching at tape, and where, again, that imaginary cheater would be. And you're going to be boxed out, elbows out, none of this stuff. You want to make sure that when you catch it, it doesn't come down and you come back up. It stops right here. So again, 5, 6, 7, 8, out. You should catch that on count 3. And one more toss that you'll have in your show eventually, if it's not already in there, I don't think it is. It's called the hit, hit, out toss. We did this at auditions. Your right hand is going to be a third in the silk. Make sure that it's in front of the silk like this. And your other hand, your left hand, is going to be halfway on the pole. So it'll be 5, 6, on count 7, you're going to hit straight across. Alright, this should be right above your shoulder. Be a straight line, not pointing up or down. You're going to hit, and then on count 8, you're going to come back down and hit. And if you do this fast enough, your hand gets moved behind the flag, behind the silk, so that way it doesn't wrap around your wrist and stuff. So you've got right here starting at your clavicle, by the way. So right here. Got 5, 6, hit, hit, and then you're going to release from here. This is your release point. For now, we're going to catch it flat with silk on the left. And that looks like this. 5, 6, hit, hit, out, up, catch. Again, that was really awful. So 5, 6, hit, hit, out, up, catch. You should catch it with this hand roughly halfway between the pole and your left hand at third end. So kind of the reverse of where you started, but at your waist.